Robert. Today we're making pizza. Yes. First, we need lukewarm water, and we will dissolve 9 grams of fresh yeast. 9 grams of fresh yeast. Put the yeast here. Mix like this. Mix. We need to dissolve all the flour. Come on. Like this. Good job. Knead the dough. Come on, knead. It's good. It's good. We need passion. No! No! Sticky dough. Sticky. No! No, Robert, no. No! No! What? Let me clean it. No, Robert, no. Whoa. No. Wait, Robert. No. Okay. Let's finish the... Okay, give me. No, give me. Okay, give. Okay, wait.
Wait.
Sticky dough. Okay, now we'll take a break. No, we need this dough. It's delicious. No. Robert. Kaka. Okay, let me help. Kaka, let me help you. Okay. Wait. Robert. Robert. Let me help you. Man. Yeah. No. Okay, good. It's good. Okay. Okay. Oh. I think we will not... Okay. Okay, good. Okay, now clean the hands. Look, now clean the hands. Okay, we'll take this. Okay, Robert, wait. Buddy, wait. Okay. Wait. Now the dough is shaped, and we will leave it for 2 hours. Let's add tomato. Yes, let's add tomato. Come on, add tomato.
More.
No more? Add ingredients. Come on, add meat. Come on, put meat. Come on, like this. Put meat. Good job. Put broccoli, like this.
Ba.
Good, good. Dun, 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 dun.